Hello everyone, my name is Moulesh Panchal. I am the founder of Vraj Engineering. Our company established in 2016 and we are located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. We specialize in manufacturing and exporting of high quality EOT crane parts. Our product range includes worm drive limit switches, two-way lever limit switches, thrusters, thruster brakes, AC solenoid brakes, cable reeling drums and radio remote controls. Known for precision engineering and dedication to quality, we provide reliable solutions to meet the demanding needs of crane operators. Our products stand out for their precision engineering, durability, competitive pricing, and commitment to customer satisfaction. These factors ensure superior performance, reliability, and value compared to other similar products in the market. We have participated in Ahmedabad NG Expo 2022 and it has been good experience and also a very good platform to promote your business. NG Expo is coming to Pune from 28th to 30th November 2024. So please do visit us at Hall B, stall number D2 to understand in detail about our products. Thank you.